Hi, welcome to Stephanie Takes on Pinterest. This is a special episode because I have two guests with me today. I have my mom, Annette, and I have my niece, Melody. So today we're going to be making Neapolitan cupcakes. So they have brownies on the bottom, white cake on top, and then a strawberry frosting. First we're going to be making our brownie mix. So we got the milk chocolate Betty Crocker mix, which is only like $1, which is a steal. It needs 3 tablespoons of water, a half a cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. So we're going to mix that all in this bowl. Now that our brownie mix is done, we're going to move on to our white cake mix. Again, I got just the Betty Crocker Supreme Moist cake mix. Alright, so this one needs 1 1/4 cups of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 egg whites or 3 whole eggs. I think we'll just do 3 whole eggs because that's easier.
Does it go in there?
I don't know.
I don't think.
Okay.
I don't know.
I bumped the button. Alright, now we'll put these into the liners and then we'll put the cake on top. Alright, so now that we have brownie batter on the bottom part, we're going to fill the rest with our cupcake batter. Alright, now we're going to make their strawberry buttercream frosting. So I called for 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of pureed strawberries. They recommended a food processor, but it worked fine in the blender. And then a cup of softened butter. That's butter. Three of us have our own piping bags. We all have different star-shaped tips, and then we're going to fill each of our piping bags so all 3 of us can frost at the same time. And decorated them. We did half with sprinkles and half without, and they look delicious. Got the brownie on the bottom, and then the cake, and then our strawberry frosting.
Oh,
That's really nice.
yeah. Already?
Ready?
She's already. Oh man.
Oh, that was really good.
Yum.
Cheers.
I think the chocolate part is my favorite. My second favorite is the vanilla. And my third favorite is the frosting.
I want to say thank you for watching so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, see you later. Bye!